Hello traders, welcome to this video on the piercing line indicator for MT4 and MT5. In this video, we will look at how this indicator identifies the piercing line candlestick pattern and what the formation implies. At this point, I'll go ahead and load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember, I want to allow DL all imports, and there we go. On the chart, the piercing line indicator detects and marks the piercing line candlestick pattern directly on the MT4 or MT5 price charts. The piercing line is a two candle formation that appears in a downtrend. It consists of a bearish candle followed by a bullish candle that opens below the prior candle's low but closes more than halfway up into the body of the first bearish candle. When the indicator detects this pattern, it places a visual marker, such as a label in this case, as you can see, on the relevant candle, implying a potential bullish reversal. The deeper the bullish candle closes into the prior bearish body, the stronger the implied reversal signal. As for the indicator settings, let's take a look. Inputs, okay, we have the fast MA period, the slow MA period. You can also choose your preferred colors for the bearish piercing color and the bullish piercing color, so it suits in better with your chosen MT4 chart theme. As for who the indicator is for, this indicator suits candlestick pattern traders on MT4 and MT5. It is a visual detection tool only. It does not execute trades. Piercing line signals should be confirmed by trend context and subsequent price action before being acted upon. The download link is in the description below. Visit the Forex Geek for more free tools. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications, and I'll see you in the next video.